Alright, for this video I'm going to compare the sound level of the Space Pi X4, and I'll also compare it against when the dryer's on for my Anycubic ACE. So let's get that underway. We'll start by getting my sound meter going. So my background's about 46 or so. So the Space Pi's 52-ish. So with both sides running on the X4, about the same, 53, 52, somewhere in there. All right, now for the Anycubic, I gotta turn that on. There's my power back there, so let that boot for a minute. If I were only using this for a dryer, then this would be a long wait just to start up. But it's a whole printer, of course. So this one's a lot louder, around 60. 62 thereabouts. So that's it. And then that one doesn't automatically shut off, it's going to run for a while. So there you have it. There's a noise comparison of these different drying units.